Hey, this is Scott Whipkey with Ascend, and I just want to take a minute to talk with you about our new tagline. And we didn't just want something that was catchy and sounded good. We wanted to reflect who we are and what we do. You see, we create better teams so that you can live a better life. It's that simple. Ascend Executive Search, better teams, better lives. So what do we mean by a better team? My dad used to tell me, you are who you surround yourself with. Well, that's your team. And although a better team is different for everyone, there are certain things they all have in common. Respect, candor and openness, honesty, a shared vision, common values and goals. These are the things that make great teams. And that's what my dad was talking about. And that's what we're talking about. Better teams. So how does having a better team lead to a better life? Well, when you surround yourself with a better team, a team that has your back, a team that's going to work hard with you and for you, not only do you go home every night knowing that the job's going to get done and get done well, but you can't wait to get up the next morning and do it again. You know why? Because you guys are killing it. Everyone's firing on all cylinders. Production's through the roof. Every single metric is off the charts. Sales, revenues, profits. You're crushing it. And you're having fun doing it. And you're sleeping better. And you're less stressed. And you have more time to do the things you love. And you're living a better life. That's what we're talking about. Better teams, better lives. Ascend Executive Search. Give us a call. And that's what we're talking about. Better teams, better lives. Ascend Executive Search. Give us a call. Did I get it right that time?